Have you ever wished you could turn part of a video into a still image, but had to settle for a blurry screenshot? With the new iOS 27 update, that issue has been solved. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to save a video frame as a photo in iOS 27. Now let's get started. To begin, you'll need to update your iPhone to iOS 27. If you haven't upgraded yet, check out this tutorial to learn how. To save a video frame as a photo in iOS 27, first open your iPhone's Photos app. Then find the video you want to save a photo from. Begin playing the video to find the frame you want to save as an image, and pause the video at the frame you want to turn into a photo. You can leave the video paused and swipe your finger on the playback bar at the bottom to adjust which frame you're paused on. Then tap the menu icon in the top right corner, and select Save Video Frame as Photo. A photo will then be extracted from that video frame at the highest resolution possible, and the photo will be saved to your camera roll right beside the video you saved it from. Repeat this process to save additional video frames as photos. That's all it takes to save a video frame as a photo in iOS 27. Want more helpful iPhone tips and tricks? Check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.